Welcome back. For this challenge, solve natin itong isa, bully chatbot. It's a miscellaneous challenge. Receive a coupon code from the support chatbot. Although it shows na hindi ko pa na-solve dito, I was able to solve this before, siguro last week or 2 weeks ago. So just keep asking, click for more hints. So siguro ito lang gagawin natin. Just keep asking, tanong lang na tanong, asking for that coupon code. So let's go ahead and see how it goes. I'm already logged in. Kung hindi ka logged in, hindi lalabas yung chatbot. There, wala oh. So you need to be logged in. Luma yan eh. So we're logged in. So you can see here, pag login ka, lalabas yung chatbot support chat. I'm sorry, what can I get you? What's your name? What should I call you? Jimmy. Nice to meet you. I am Juicy. Give me coupon code. So i-copy lang natin para ulitin natin. That doesn't matter. Please try again. Give me coupon code. There you go. Okay. We'll copy this for next time. Siguro. Pero, solve the challenge. Success. And then we'll go here, scoreboard. Makikita mo, it's already marked. Fully chatbot. There you go. All right. I'm not sure kung paano siya related in pen testing. Sometimes merong problema yung mga web developer in developing the chat. Magkakaproblema, pero I'm not sure how this will help para to gain control of the web application, but it is an interesting challenge. So we'll try the other ones next time. Thank you.